To recover a Phantom Wallet import wallet, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have your secret recovery phrase readily available, as this is crucial for the recovery process. The secret recovery phrase is a list of words that were provided to you when you first created your Phantom Wallet. Next, download and install the Phantom Wallet browser extension from the official Phantom website to avoid any potential scams or malware. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Restore Wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your secret recovery phrase. Carefully type in each word of your secret recovery phrase, ensuring that the words are in the correct order and that there are no spelling mistakes. After entering your secret recovery phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. Best practice is to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make your password more secure. Once you have created your new password, your Phantom Wallet will be restored and you will regain access to your account. It is essential to keep your secret recovery phrase safe and secure, as anyone with access to this phrase can restore your wallet and gain access to your funds. Therefore, consider storing your secret recovery phrase in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure location that is not easily accessible to others. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully recover your Phantom Wallet import wallet and ensure the security of your cryptocurrency holdings. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and secret recovery phrase to avoid any potential losses.